again.
This the ghetto basketball hoop.
This is how you use it.
Oh!
Take it in. What?
This is the most ghettoest basketball hoop ever.
See? That always works. I missed right here. Straight up, you suck. See? You suck. Doesn't work. I hit the backboard.
Go Lex.
Oh my god.
Maya, watch how you hit.
That's why I don't want you up here.
This is our ghetto ass basketball hoop.
Then get off. It's fine. Maya, this is ball.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Guys, she won't get off.
Daddy.
I'm going to there.
Ladder.
Yeah.
I just farted.
Alright, it's my turn. You hold the camera. Face it towards the basketball
See,
hoop.
that's how I get.
Stop.
I'm going to make it.
Go, Liza.
Get a three-pointer.
She's gonna make it 3.
I think this is it.
Oh!
Daddy.
That's Jack.